Hello, friends. I thought I've got actually 3 boxes here from Lug, so I thought I would do a little unboxing type haul. So 2 of the boxes are from Lug Live. I'll show you those first. So the first thing I got here was this little Dazzle mini pouch in, what's it called? Lights Black. Look, it's Christmas lights, holiday lights. I thought it was so cute, and I've got a little super coupe that is Christmassy. It's got snowmen on it. I don't remember what the pattern's called, but I've got that, and I'm like, this would be really cute. It comes with the little carabiner. Normally I'll keep AirPods, lip gloss, just other little mini things in this size pouch. I have one already that I love, and so when I saw this, I'm like, oh, that would be so cute for Christmas. There's that. Next, I got this, and I was really thinking of it kind of for some travel I've got coming up in December. So the purpose of me purchasing this, what's this called? Oh, the Voyager Backpack. And I got it in Pebble Ice Pop. I don't know if you can see, but it does have that ice pop stitching on it. The back is mesh, which is nice. And it's got the handle on the top, which I love. It's like water bottle pockets are magnetic as well. So on the front, you've got a kind of cushioned, honestly, front pouch. It's padded a little bit there. And then a phone slip pocket, and a little thing for your charms, doohickeys. And then here's the interior. Not an enormous bag, but honestly, this is perfect, the perfect size for going to a conference. So I think this will be really nice for me to carry all my stuff around with me in. Oh, it opens up nice and wide. See the gusseting? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, this will be perfect to take with me to my conference. I'm so excited to have a new bag to take with me. And it's got a clear pouch. It's got 2 elastic cargo pockets and then a big one in the back. And what's that? Oh, there's a thing in here that's got some other little pockets. I don't know what they're calling that. Let's see if I can kind of show you. Yeah, right there. That's got some pockets. Some pockets in it. You can kind of see a little bit. But anyway, this is really cute. Excited about that. And then the other thing that I got from Lug Live, which shipped on its own randomly, was a strap extender for my Hitch that I have in, what's it called? In Margarita Ice Pop. So you can see here, got Margarita, and just a little bit of an extender. Nice. The Hitch does fit me, but when I wear it crossbody, it's a little snug. So I was like, I'll get this, and then it makes it a little bit more of a versatile bag option. Okay, so that's what I ordered from Lug Live. Now, I also got the Lug Life box in the, which one was this? Under the Stars was the one that I got. I've not gotten a Lug Life box yet. If you want to avoid spoilers, feel free to hop off. But I got this, and I'm so excited about it. So let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, what is this? Sherpa Throw in Camp Green. Oh, this is nice and soft. What I was thinking when I ordered this, honestly, was I'm probably going to like everything in it. And if I don't, I can always give it to someone as a Christmas gift. So what does this say? Spend the summer at Camp Lug. Little thing there. And this is Sherpa material. It looks, I can see some trees. They have they've got like a moose on it, some stars, a campfire, maybe. Really cute. I'm not gonna like unravel this because you still won't be able to see it, but that's such a cute little blanket. And I love the throws from Lug. Okay, here is a Huggy, which is awesome. I do not have one of these. And we walk back and forth picking my son up from my parents' house when my mom watches him. And I was thinking the other day, I'm like, it would be so great if like just when I'm walking to have like a little thing to hold my water bottle in. This is perfect. I mean, that's literally what it's for. But it's this really this is such a cute little pattern. This is definitely the pattern that's on the throw as well. But how cute is that with like the constellations, the moose, the tent, the campfire. I don't know if you can see it there, but like on the back you can see it's like campfire, lantern, a bear, a pennant. This is so stinking cute. Binoculars. That's what I thought was the campfire. They're binoculars. Really, really cute. Awesome. So a Huggy. Let's see. Oh, a backpack. A hatchback 3 in that same pattern. So cute. Love this. Absolutely love it. And again, you've got that same super cute pattern. I'm not going to unzip this one all the way because I'm assuming we're all familiar with the hatchback backpack. And then what's this? Is this a Hitch? It is a Hitch in metallic olive. I love my Hitch, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Honestly, this looks, they're not calling this like a matte luxe or like faux leather or anything, but I'm telling you, in person, it definitely looks like faux leather, vegan leather, as they call it these days. How cute. I love, love, love my Hitch. So I'm excited to have it in this like fall color because, as you can see, my other color is bright lime green yellow. So it's really nice for fall and winter. Ooh, I'm so excited about that. Okay, and then last but not least, what on earth is this? Landing pad. Landing pad. What's the landing pad? Is this something new? Am I just like not up on it? Is it a seat cushion? Oh, little seat cushion. I'm guessing that's what it is. Does it say on the paper? No. But it does come with a $50 off coupon, a $25 off coupon, and a free shipping code. So that is also very, very nice. I'm not really sure what the landing pad is. Landing pad would make sense to be a cushion, right? Because then it's like a landing pad for your butt. But how cute. This is like constellations. You see the stars and like all the constellations. The stars spell Lug. Adorable. I love this. This is so, so cute. Very sweet. Nice. Awesome. Well, I'm really pleased, very happy with all the stuff that I got. Did you get a Lug Life fall box? If so, did you get the camp one or did you get the other one? Let me know in the comments below and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye, y'all.